guys, good afternoon. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the platform. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine and keep it safe. If you are coming across this face, my name is Ace. I'm a mom vlogger based in Italy. Please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload a new video. So today is Wednesday, and it has been a very cold day and a rainy day as well. So I'm heading out. I have to go shopping so that I'll buy things which I'm going to use to cook on Friday, and I might do it.
I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Since 06, I've been writing stories. I know be OG, but if you ask them, them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me know. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I did love me, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. I've seen the way we live. I do with the world I've seen. We are nobody will be over. And the Lord I live over. Who's the boy with the labor? That's all the new Shita. And then I really put you to bar. We can work and Shika. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm alone, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm here 'cause I love you. Hold you forever. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, so tight.
one is going for 10. So guys, this is the receipt. I'm gonna focus. The receipt is 59 euro 48 cents. 59.48 cents. So I remember last year. Last year, if I went to the supermarket, I remember last year, if I went to the store, I can easily spend 25 euro or 30 euro for everything that I have here. But this year, since the beginning of this year, guys, it has not been easy. Everything is increasing in this Europe, mostly this city. I don't know how it is in other countries, but spending 60 euro, let's just say 60 euro on these little things I have here. Before night, I really fuller more than this. Look at the space here, guys. There's nothing here there. This thing used to be more fuller than this, but this year everything is increasing and it's affecting us badly. They are increasing everything in the supermarket, but they are not increasing salaries. Mostly we are family of 5. It's only my husband that is working. I'm not working because I just think maybe it's 6 months. It's really, really affecting us, but we will survive. With God, all things are possible. I know God will not let His children suffer. We will survive. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys when I shall see you. Bye. Hey, look at this boy. I'm cooking and it's just 2 of us at home. I have to put it in my bag so that I can make my stew. Today is Friday, and this Friday is the day I'm supposed to make stew. So if you go shopping with me, you remember the other time I told you guys I want to buy things which I'm going to use to cook on Friday. Today is Friday, I'm cooking, nobody's at home, so it's on my back. Alright.
Crazy, I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says go, baby. At last, till my body's so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body.